The benefits of building a Cape Cod-style home. Dear friends, it is tempting for new landowners to go with designs that are very sleek and modern. These homes offer excitement and a fresh perspective. But there is something to be said for tradition, especially when it comes to building a home. The Cape Cod-style home is a huge part of architectural tradition in the United States. But, are Cape Cod house plans a relic of the past? Here are a few benefits of building a Cape Cod-style home. Symmetry and elegance. The original Cape Cod-style home is known for being a single story and originating in New England in the early 1800s. Styles have evolved since then, but the Cape Cod home still retains many of those original qualities. One concept that has remained is the symmetry. Cape Cod-style house floor plans are known for their symmetry, as it creates the perfect aesthetic quality. The rectangular shape of the home is coordinated with its other features to ensure smooth geometry. The door to these homes is almost always in the center, while the double-hung windows are an equal distance from each other on both sides. Side lights around the front door are also common and add to the symmetrical quality of these homes. Building a Cape Cod-style home requires modest outdoor decorations. Thanks to the symmetry of the Cape Cod home, it does not require much outside decoration to stand out. While other home styles require regular maintenance and innovation to maintain their outdoor appeal, the Cape Cod home design speaks for itself. The structure of the Cape Cod home looks so stunning that over-the-top exterior decorations are not required. Cozy, charming interior. Despite the exterior of Cape Cod homes often giving off an imposing vibe, these homes are modest in the interior. They are 1 or 2 stories, with relatively small rooms. Bigger families may not find this appealing, but a small, nuclear family will find this type of home very charming. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.